Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out this metal detector. So if we can cut a straight line, we can open this up and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, as you see, we got quite a bit of a little mess here. Now, the great thing is everything comes in small pieces. And all you do is you just put it together. So we're going to try and do that right here on camera for y'all, so you guys can see how this goes. So basically you're gonna have it like this. You're gonna be holding it. Yeah, that should be for your arm. So this piece is gonna go on this piece like that, and then you just thread these from underneath. Pop this piece on this piece. This piece goes on this piece right here, and then you can just make it tight once you have it positioned. This piece goes on the end, and now we put this in here. So what you'll do is you'll take off this bolt and you'll slide it through. Just like this, and you go ahead and you thread this back on and make it tight to the position that you want it, and you can always adjust it however you need. Alright guys, this is then your carrying bag when you're done, and then they also give you a shovel. If we could get this out, here we go. So this is the shovel. Thread it on like this. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it around a little bit. Once it's thread on, you can then let's see here. So you twist this, loosen this up. That allows you to open it up. Then you can make it tight. You can have it as a shovel like this, and then make it tight by threading. Or you can have it as a pickaxe like that. Or you can have it down. You can have it like this. You can have it just like that. However you want, you guys can do it. So let's go ahead and see. You guys then take this cable and you connect it to the back here, and this is how it works. Just like that, guys. You have your menu and all your settings there. Refer to the manual for more information. You do need a 9-volt battery, and we do not have them. I wish they would stop using 9 volts and go with other type of batteries, but 9 volts seems to be the standard. So guys, this is what it looks like. Stay tuned for an update as we test it out and go from there. But put your arm in there, you can strap it down, and you can adjust the bottom piece here. And depends on how you like to metal detect. Most people don't put it directly on the ground. You raise it just a little bit, and then you go back and forth. Some people go in a circular motion. You know, there's different standards for different people, but it's easy to put together. It's foldable. You guys can make it very small, and then all you do is you flip this back like this and put it in the bag, and you're good to go. So whatever you guys want to do, you guys can do. But yeah, it's decent. We'll do an update as we metal detect. Guys, as an example, we are putting it in the bag, and the bag comes with pockets and zippered here, so you guys can put your findings in there and some other stuff. But overall, very nice. Team 75, I believe. It's actually really good condition. It was underneath all this stuff. I don't know, what is that, guys? Pretty cool, guys. So it works good.